Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful motif flower. As you can see, we have 3D motif flower. This is so easy and very beautiful. You can use it for your blanket crochet or your cushion crochet or for your coat crochet, tablecloths, or everything you want. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful motif crochet. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like my video. For first round, I make magic ring. Put my hook under this part and above of this part and yarn over. Then make 2 chain. Now we have 3 chain. Then make double crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have 5 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then put your hook here in the 3rd chain. As you can see, this is the chain, and put your hook in the 3rd chain exactly here, and then here in the last stitch. Then yarn over and make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Again, put your hook here into this magic ring. Make double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then put your hook here in the 1st stitch, then here, and make 3 chain. This is the popcorn stitch. As you can see, we need 8 of this popcorn stitch into this magic ring, and between each popcorn stitch we need 3 chain. So complete this set. Now I finished this popcorn stitch and I have 8 of this popcorn stitch. Then I make 3 chain and put my hook here into this popcorn stitch exactly here, as you can see, and then make just 1 slip stitch here. Then I want to change the color of the yarn, so I put my needle here in this space between these 2 popcorn stitch exactly here. Then yarn over exactly here and then here and make 3 chain, as you can see. Then I want to hide the extra yarn between this stitch, so I keep them together and then make double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now with these 3 chains we have 5 stitch, so put your hook here and then here and make just 1 popcorn stitch and make 3 chain. Then again in this hole between these 2 popcorn stitch, again we need popcorn stitch, so I'm going to make 5 double crochet. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again I put my hook here in the first stitch Then here yarn over and make 3 chain. So in each space between these 2 popcorn stitch, we need 2 popcorn stitch with 3 chain. So here again we need 2 popcorn stitch, and this space again we need 2 popcorn stitch with 3 chain. Now I finished this popcorn stitch. As you can see, I have 16 popcorn stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So I want to change the color of the yarn, and I use the green color yarn. So I put the yarn here, then I put my hook here between these 2 stitches, 2 popcorn stitch, and then yarn over into this 2 space, and then here between this space I'm going to make just 1 single crochet, and then here again 1 half double crochet, and then again here 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet, then make a picot, make 3 chain, and then put your hook here in the first stitch and make a slip stitch. Then again repeat, make 1 triple crochet. All of these stitches here in this hole, again I'm going to make just 1 double crochet, and again here just 1 half double crochet, and again here I'm going to make single crochet. So I have this shape. As you can see, we have this shape here. This is look like a leaf. Then I'm going to make 2 chain and skip this space, and here in this space I'm going to make just 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, then I'm going to make a picot, make a slip stitch here, again 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and again here 1 single crochet, then again 2 chain, skip this space, and here again repeat this set until again you arrive here. Now I finish this round and I make single crochet here, then I'm going to make 2 chain and then make a slip stitch in the first single crochet exactly here, then make just 1 chain and cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. Now again I change the color of yarn and put the needle here under this 2 chain, and then make 1 chain and make just 1 single crochet. Then I need 4 chain, and then here in the next 2 chain under this part again we need 1 single crochet, again 4 chain, 3 and 4, and again here under this 2 chain we need just 1 single crochet. So in each part we need single crochet and 4 chain until again we arrive here. Now I complete this part. As you can see, we have 4 corners. In each corner we have 2 chain. Now I arrive here and then I make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain, exactly here. Then make 3 chain, and here in the above of this stitch we need just 1 double crochet. In the next stitch we need just 1 double crochet, and again here in the next stitch we need just 1 double crochet. Now I arrive in this corner. Here we need 3 double crochet, 2 and 3. Now I want to make a corner, so I need 2 chain, 1 and 2, and again 3 double crochet into this hole until we have a corner. Now I complete this part, and again in each stitch we need just 1 double crochet. So as you can see, in each stitch I just make 1 double crochet until again I arrive here in this corner. Here again we need 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. So again keep continuous with just 1 double crochet in each stitches until again you arrive here. Now again I finish this round, as you can see. So again I make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain, make 3 chain, and in each stitch we need just 1 double crochet. As you can see, in each stitch we need just 1 double crochet. So I'm going to make just 1 double crochet. Now again I arrive here in this corner. Like before, in this corner I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, then make 2 chain, and again 3 double crochet in this corner until we make a corner of this motif. Again in the next stitch we need just 1 double crochet until again we arrive here in the next corner. Now in this corner we need just 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. So keep continuous this round. Again you arrive here, stitch here and cut the yarn. I must use a needle to hide the extra yarn. So it is finished. You can use it for different things, for example blanket crochet or cushion crochet or table crochet. They are so beautiful, and you can see for back crochet too. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and if you have any question, put your question in comment part. I will answer to you. Thank you.